Hello friends, this is the part 5 of the BCI exam which was held on June 2018. So this is the part 5 of the video. So MCQ number 63. Custodial death is one of the worst crimes in a civilized society governed by rule of law. In which case Supreme Court made this remark? Option A, A.K. Gopalan versus State of Madras. Option B, MC Mehta versus Union of India. Option C, D.K. Basu versus State of Bengal. Option D, Vishakha versus State of Rajasthan. So the right answer over here is option C, D.K. Basu versus State of Bengal. Okay. Option C is the right answer. Now, MCQ number 64. A suit for compensation for false imprisonment. The period of limitation is option A 3 years, option B 3 years from date of release from imprisonment, option C 3 years from date of imprisonment, option D 1 year when the imprisonment ends. So the right answer over here is option D, 1 year when the imprisonment ends. MCQ number 65. Rule of law is defined by option A Jeremy Bentham, option B Sir John Salmon, option C A.V. Dicey, option D Professor Aristotle. So the right answer over here is option C. It is not A.Y. Dicey, rather it is A.V. Dicey, Albert Venn Dicey. MCQ number 66. What is the time prescribed for filing an FIR? Within 24 hours, within 48 hours, within 14 days of the offense, no time limit is specified. So the right answer over here will be option D. No time limit as such is specified, but one should file it as soon as possible. MCQ number 67. Which of the following is true of rules framed by Supreme Court with reference to appeals to it? Option A, they are a special law within section 4 of CPC. Option B, they must take precedence over section 114 or order 47. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of these. So the right answer over here is option C, both A and B. MCQ number 68. An appeal against order passed under section 27 of the Consumer Protection Act 1986 by National Commission lies in option A the High Court, option B the Supreme Court, option C the central government, option D not appealable. So the right answer over here will be option B. It will be the Supreme Court. So after the National Commission, which is the apex body under this act, the appeal can lie to the Supreme Court. MCQ number 69. Which is the body that award punishment to the advocates for misconduct? Option A Ethics Committee, option B Professional Development Committee, option C Disciplinary Committee, option D High Court. So the right answer over here will be High Court, option D. MCQ number 70. Which section of Sale of Goods Act 1930 deal with anticipatory breach of contract? So the options are option A section 50, option B section 65, option C section 60, option D section 70. So the right answer over here will be option C section 60. MCQ number 71. Criminal proceedings against the infringer is enabled in the Copyright Act by invoking the provision section 13 to 16, section 17 to 27, section 63 to 70, or none of the above. So the right answer over here is section 63 to 70, option C. MCQ number 72. Which section of Indian Registration Act 1908 provides with compulsory registration of instrument of gifts and immovable properties? Option A, Section 11. Option B, Section 13. Option C, Section 17. Or option D, none of the above. So the right answer over here will be option C, Section 17. MCQ number 73rd. State government's power to control the road transport is provided in Motor Vehicles Act 1988 under Section 67 of Motor Vehicle Act, 68, 69, or none of these. So the right answer over here will be option A, Section 67 of Motor Vehicle Act. Doctrine of lis pendis is given under which section of Transfer of Property Act? Option A, Section 51. Option B, Section 52. Option C, Section 53. Or option D, Section 53A. So the right answer over here will be option B, Section 52. Which of the following statement is true regarding the characteristics of international law? So firstly, it is a true law. It has a vertical structure. It has been well established institutes of governance. It has a formal law enforcing agency. So I think this is a tricky question. It may be option A. It is a true law, because earlier it was not considered to be a true law, but now it is considered to be a true law. MCQ number 76. Deferred meher is payable at the time of divorce or at the time of death of the spouse. So here the right answer will be option B. The statement is not true. Deferred meher में कुछ मेहर उस समय दे देते हैं and rest of the meher is paid at some specified event. It can be the death of the spouse or it can be at the time of divorce. MCQ number 77. Dying declaration must be made by option A, the dying person in hospital. Option B, the doctor who is treating the disease in hospital. Option C, the deceased before death. Option D, nearest relative of the deceased. So the right answer over here will be option C, the deceased before death. Now MCQ 78. Judgment should be delivered to the parties or to the pleaders in the open court. Option A, by delivering the whole of the judgment, by reading out the whole of the judgment, by reading out the operative part of the judgment, or all of the above. So the right answer over here will be option D, all of the above. MCQ number 79. Which of the following deals with the evidence for prosecution? Section 242 CRPC, Section 264 CRPC, Section 237 CRPC, or Section 235 CRPC. So the right answer over here will be Section 237 CRPC. MCQ number 80. Abetting the commission of suicide is given under Section 9, Section 8, Section 7, or none of the above. So the right answer over here will be obviously none of the above. It is not in the initial sections of the IPC. So thank you all. Rest of the MCQs will be dealt in next video. So thank you all.